This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will discuss with you about HTML underline tag. The HTML U element defines text underline. You can see coding mode. You can also see the browsing view. Now push this video and look very carefully in the coding mode and browsing view. This is a simple underline tag. In here, the underline tag start and in here, the underline tag close. You have to input the text in the middle of the underline tag. In my next lecture, I will show you how to use underline tag. See you guys in my next lecture.